Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy real estate investments with Zillow easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Zillow website or opening the Zillow app on your device. Create an account if you don't have one. Input your email and a secure password to get started. Once logged in, navigate to the Buy section on the home page. Enter the location where you want to invest in real estate. Use filters to narrow down your options based on price range, property type, and other preferences. Take advantage of the map view to see properties in specific neighborhoods. Click on any property listing to view detailed information. Review photos, descriptions, and pricing, as well as any homeowner association fees. Pay close attention to the price history for insights on the property's value trends. Read the Zestimate, which gives you an estimated market value based on various data points. Examine the property's location for proximity to amenities such as schools, parks, and public transport. Explore financing options that Zillow may provide or suggest. If you find a property of interest, request more information or schedule a viewing. Consider contacting a real estate agent through Zillow for professional guidance. Use the Save feature to bookmark properties you want to keep track of. Monitor the market regularly for new listings or price changes. Understand the neighborhood dynamics by researching local market trends. Before making an offer, gather all necessary financial documents. Once you're ready to proceed, consult with real estate professionals for advice on offers and negotiations. Finalize your investment by following through on inspections and closings. Celebrate your new real estate investment as you take the next steps toward property ownership. Stay updated on market changes to manage your investment effectively over time. With these steps, you can confidently navigate the real estate landscape using Zillow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.